how I have this do-rag on? I'm very mindful that my hair looks crazy up under here, but Fresh Cut Friday is upon us, and I have to get myself together so I can be very cutesy, very demure, very modest, very snatched, so I can no longer be humble on you bitches. So we're gonna go to Target and get us a fresh box of dye and get ourselves together, because we're what? Mindful. Okay, y'all, so this is me walking up, grabbing the color that I always get. Never fails me, but then I looked down and I saw this cute one with a cute girl on the box, and it looked a little brighter, y'all. No. Stick to what you know, y'all, okay? All right, y'all, I'm leaving out of the happiest place on earth. Target. Secured the bag. Got my color and a little extra. So, yeah. I guess this is just like a little cute little hair maintenance vlog. I'm gonna just assume that it's gonna be over 90 seconds. So yeah, we just gonna be vibing, twin. Period. All right, y'all, we back from Target. The bag is secured, okay? So of course I got my hair color. I'm trying out a new color. It's still in the same burgundy family, but this one looks a little bit brighter. And it's a black girl on the front with freckles. She cute, so I had to. You already know the vibes. I got me a bottle of tequila. Yeah. I don't work until Tuesday, and it's giving that. So yeah, that's that. And I got me a pack of trade beaters. Because yeah, it was a pack of 10. Hello, and I needed them. So yeah, y'all. Let's switch up the angle, switch up the camera, and let's get into some hair color. It's Fresh Cut Friday, bitch. Period.
When a real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't no fuck with no boss, bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots. I burned them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is. Nigga, not your bitch. Nigga, not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, hoe tiny shit like 3-0, twin. Bitch, I be going in. Bitches clearly want my life, and it's so evident. Cook, clean, and fuck 'em right. I'm so heaven sent. What I look like asking him about another bitch? Might tell you once, won't tell you twice. And post that up, we be alright. See, I gon' tweet and I'm gon' fight fast. Yeah, these hoes sweet as apple pie. Ain't got no car, so hoes they ride. But bro say y'all can't even do that. What? Why? How? When? Where? Just let me know how you wanna play it. Bitch, you know I'm there. If it was smoke, then I was sad. Bitch, I'm crystal clear. Left my pennies at his mansion like a souvenir. When a real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't no fuck with no boss, bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots. I burnt them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Broke it. Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so the hair is done, and I hate it. Why is my hair dark like this? My hair hasn't been this dark in years. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna get our hair cut. When I come back, it might be this color, it might be another color. We will see, but I'm not feeling it. Girl, what? Alright, y'all, I'm back from the barbershop, and this is what it's giving. Okay, the color is not as bad as I thought it would be. I knew Red was gonna eat the chopper, period. Waves gonna swim, but you bitches already knew that. So very cutesy, very mindful, very demure, no longer humble on you bitches. And we outside this weekend.
Bitch, we outside tonight!
I still might color it again because I need my red back.
This is 99J.
This is cute, nevertheless, but it's real fall. But yeah, that's it for this hair maintenance vlog, y'all. Make sure you come back to my channel, y'all, and tell me if y'all like these longer videos, because I can keep posting. No shade, I can keep posting. Matter of fact, I got another one coming. Period. Bye, y'all. I am a troll.
24 hours later.
What's up, y'all? And yes, I'm back that quick. Do not like my hair color, so when it got Old Faithful, I don't need none of the hair girlies in the comments. Or
You should have waited a week. You should have waited 2 weeks.
Baby, this my hair. If it fall out, it fall out. Just vibe, girl. Just vibe and watch the video, boo. Okay? y'all, this is the color that we wanted. See, I'm so much happier now. I'm about to put my oils in there and lay my hair down, and I'll be back once I feel like I'm finished.